Module 9, Building Multiple and Reusable Actions. Exercise 1, Creating Reusable Actions. Start the flight reservation application to create a new test titled Actions in UFT. Start recording. In the recording action toolbar, specify the action name as login and specify the description and other details. Then click the OK button in the Insert Call to New Action dialog box, and you will observe that a new action titled Login has been created in UFT. Log in the flight booking application by entering the username and password and clicking the OK button. Agent name training, then password Mercury. Then click OK. Then click create two new actions and insert order and log out, which perform insert and log off actions. From the recording toolbar, click the call to new action icon, and this open the insert call to a new action dialog box. In the name field, type insert order, and the description field, type recording user actions for booking a flight ticket. Then check the reusable action checkbox and click the OK button in the insert call to new action dialog box. And enter the following details in the flight reservation, which is open. Date of flight, any date later than the current date. Fly from Denver, then fly to Frankfurt. Click the flight button in the flight reservation window. Then let the default selection remains and click the OK button in the flight table window. Then type Josephine in the name field. Then type 8 in the ticket field and select as the class first class travel. Click the insert order button in the flight reservation window and click the new order button. Click again on the call to a new action icon in the recording toolbar. Type logout in the name field of the insert call to a new action dialog. Then click OK button. Click File, then Exit. Click Stop on the recording toolbar to stop recording. Action 1 has no steps, therefore delete it by right-clicking the Action 1 entry and clicking Delete Action option. Then click Yes on the UFT pop-up window. Double-click the Login action in the Solution Explorer to open the Login action. Then copy or type system util.run. Then save your test. Exercise 2, using the local data table sheet. From the Solution Explorer, double-click the Insert Order action to open that action. From the keyword view of Insert Order, parameterize fly from and fly to. To do that, click the value cell from fly from step and press Ctrl and F11 to open the value configuration option dialog box. Then click the parameter radio button and select data table from the drop-down list. In the name field, select fly from. Select the current action sheet local radio button and click the OK button. Similarly, parameterize the fly to step. Populate the data table with values. Then fly from Denver, fly to Frankfurt, then fly from London, then to Paris. Then fly from Zurich, then fly to Sydney. Save the test and execute it. Exercise 3, executing test. Exercise 3, executing test multiple actions. Click the Actions tab. Then go to the canvas and right-click the Insert Order action. Right-click the Insert Order action and select Action Call Properties option. In the Run tab, select the Run on All Rows Radio button. If Action Call Properties hint dialog appears, click the OK button. Click the OK button and run the test again and observe the result. And save the test. Exercise for calling a usable action. Create a new test with the title call action. Click the Create button in the New Test dialog box. As you already have logged in using Insert Order and Logout action defined in another test, You do not need to run this again, and then you can simply call actions from the previous test to the new test. In the UFT menu bar, click Design, then call to existing action, then select the test action which contain reusable actions. The action test can be found at the following location. Select your previous test action from the test folder. In the Select Action dialog, check if previous reusable actions have been loaded. If the Automatic Relative Path Conversion dialog appears, click Yes. Select the login action and click the OK button. This loads the reusable login action for your test. Similarly, call the Insert Order action in the Call Action test. In the Solution Explorer, right-click the call action and select Add, then call to existing action. From the Select Action field, browse the action test which you created earlier. The Automatic Relative Path Conversion dialog is displayed. Then click the Yes button. Then from the Select Action field, browse to action test which you created earlier. Then from the Action drop-down list, select the Insert Order action. Then click the OK button in the Select Action dialog box. Then similarly call the existing logout action. After the logout action is also called, the Solution Explorer looks similar to the following screenshot. Select the Insert Order action and then go to the respective data table. Execute the test, then view the result, which shows the test action is called from test in square brackets. Then save the test. Then exit UFT.